Hey, what's going on, guys? Third video on Monday. This is going to end up being the answer to warm-up number 8. Honestly, this section 2, doesn't seem too bad. It's actually might be easier than section 1. All these warm-up questions are the same ones you get on the test yourself assessment. I mean, not even that bad. Apparently, I put in option 3 down here. Hopefully, none of you clicked that. It's obviously not going to be right. I just didn't put a made up answer in there. All right, let's go ahead and solve this. So it's asking pretty much to work through the equation. I mean, solve it as far as you can. So I'm just going to rewrite it. Negative 5x plus 10x plus 3 equals 5x plus 6. All right, so all I did was rewrite my equation. That's all I've done. I'm going to end up drawing a line where my equal sign is. And now, usually I would do the distributive property. I don't have any parentheses. I'm going to combine like terms. So I have a negative 5x and a positive 10x. That's going to end up leaving me with a positive 5x plus 3 equals, and I'm just going to leave that there. I'm not going to change anything. Then going on from there, now I need to move things back and forth. So the first thing I'm going to end up moving, I'm going to combine my x's because usually when I do that, it just makes life easier. I'm going to minus a 5x, minus a 5x. I'm going to draw a little line just so I know I performed an operation. These cancel out, these cancel out, and the 3 comes down. Hey, Zach, I know yeah. Zach, I know you just sent me an email about the video's not working. Yeah, I'll look to see what it is, see if I can help you out. And remember, I'll give you extra time. I'll do my best to try to set you guys up to be successful. All I did here was bring my 3 down, and I also brought my 6 down. And does 3 equal 6? Is that a true statement? It's not. So my answer is going to end up being no solution. That's what my answer is going to end up being. Yep. No solution is going to end up being my final answer. Infinitely many means it would be true. If it was 3 equals 3, it would be right. All right, guys, that's it. That's the answer for warm-up number 8. Hopefully, you guys do better on section 2, test yourself assessment. Guys, remember, don't wait until Sunday at 11 o'clock and fly through it and only take 1 minute to do it and expect to get a good grade. Not going to happen. I don't think it is. I mean, prove me wrong. That's awesome if you do. If you can knock all these test yourself assessments out in a minute and get hundreds on all of them, awesome, great, do it. I just don't think you guys are going to be able to. They're pretty tough. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. See you.